Hello students, this is Archana Subhasri Tripathi and I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning. We are providing free online classes for all of you for the betterment of your academic achievement. Now tell me, how are you all? All good? So, we learnt about tense and time in our previous class. Previous class means in your ninth class. Okay, so now we realize that time is a continuous flow, okay, which measured in seconds, like 1 second, 2 second, etc., in minutes, in hours, in days, and in years. On the other hand, tense is a grammatical concept which is specific to a particular language, and the tense system in English is not similar to that of any other language such as Odia or Sanskrit. So, English language has two defined tenses, and that is present tense and past tense. But with the help of these two tenses, we express three phases of time. One is past time, number two present time, and number three future time. So, we have difficulty in expressing ourselves using the proper tense form of verbs. So, in this chapter, we will study how the available tense forms of verbs express all the three phases of time. इंग्राजी रे टेन्स होची दुई प्रकारर, एक प्रेजेंट टेन्स जहाँकि वर्तमान काल, दुई पास्ट टेन्स अतीत काल, किंतु टाइम तीन प्रकारर, एक पास्ट टाइम, दुई प्रेजेंट टाइम, तीन फ्यूचर टाइम. एई अध्याय रे आमे प्रेजेंट टेन्स और पास्ट टेन्स रो व्यवहार रे किपरि पास्ट टाइम, प्रेजेंट टाइम और फ्यूचर टाइम को एक्सप्रेस करि परिबा ताहा आमे सिखिबा. So the first one is present time. So let's know the ways of expressing the present time. So today's topic is tense revisited. Number 1. Present tense. So let's have a recap. As we know, there are 4 subdivisions of present tense, and they are present simple, number 2 present continuous, number 3 present perfect, number 4 present perfect continuous. So the first one is present indefinite or simple present tense, or we can call it present simple tense. So the structure is subject plus main verb 1 or main verb 5 plus object. For example, I eat mango. Here I is a subject and eat is the main verb 1 and mango is object. And example number 2 is Amrut eats mango. Here Amrut is subject, eats is main verb 5 and mango is object. Here main verb 5 means does plus main verb 1. Okay, it is only used after the third person singular number. For example, goes, plays, he goes to school, he plays football. Okay, so does plus main verb 1 is equal to main verb 5. Simple. Then let's know about the use of simple present tense. Rule number 1. So in which place we can use the simple present tense? First one is habitual action or regular action or repeated action. Habitual action means which action is habituated with someone, means always doing the same thing. For example, Akshurna goes to bed at 10 p.m. means Akshurna always goes to bed at 10 p.m. Okay, Akshurna ସବୁ ବେಳೆ ରାତି 10ଟା ବେଳେ ଶୋଏ. So this is the habitual action. ଅଭ୍ୟାସରେ ପରିଣତ ହୋଇଯାଇଥିବା କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ. Another example is Amrut gets up early in the morning. That means Amrut always gets up early in the morning. So this is also a regular action. Similarly, Pratyush reads a newspaper every morning. Okay, so this is also a repeated action or habitual action, or we can say regular action. Okay, so in this case present simple is used. So these verbs are in present simple. Then note down, the time expressing adverbs are used to express habitual action. Time expressing adverbs means the adverb of time, like always, often, sometimes, generally, every day, usually, every morning, once a week, twice a year, okay, etc. For example, he always comes here, he often comes here, he sometimes comes here. Okay, so in this case present simple tense is used. Then rule number 2. To express universal truth or general truth, or we can say scientific truth or principle. Okay, to express all these things we can use present simple. For example, the sun rises in the east. So this is the universal truth. Chirantana satya. Surya purba digare udaya huanti. Similarly, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So it is also a scientific truth. Again, 2 and 2 makes 4. This is also universal truth we can say, or it is a principle we can say. So in this case, present simple is used. Then rule number 3. To express mental activity or our feelings or our emotions, we can use present simple tense. For example, she believes in God. Then, I feel hungry. Similarly, Sagarika trusts in me. So, these are the special feelings or emotions towards somebody. So, in this case also we can use present simple. Then, rule number 4. To express fixed program or any kind of fixed plan of future time. In this case also we can use present simple. For example, the school reopens in October. विद्यालय अक्टोबर रे खोलिबो. तो एटा होची गोटे फिक्स्ड प्लान. So in this case also we can use present simple. My sister returns tomorrow. So this is also her fixed plan. So in this case also present simple is used. Again, the Prime Minister comes here next Monday. So the program for the future time, that is next Monday, is fixed. So in this case also present simple tense can be used. Again, rule number 5. To express present fact. Present fact means right now what is true, that is known as present fact. In that case, to express that situation, we can use present simple. For example, Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Previously, Cuttack was the capital of Odisha, but right now Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. So this is the present fact. Okay, now fact is that Bhubaneswar is the capital. So in this case present simple is used. Again, rule number 6. To express permanent fact. For example, I am married. So it is a permanent thing. Nobody can change it. Okay, once you got married, that means you remain married. Okay, nobody can change that situation. So it is a permanent fact. Similarly, they have 2 children. This is also a permanent thing. Okay, so in this case also present simple is used. Again, we are Indians. So this is also a permanent thing. That permanent fact, the fact is that we are Indians. Nobody can change our citizenship. So in this case also we can use present simple. Then rule number 7. Laws of nature. प्रकृतिर नियम जहा होई थाए से स्थान रे मध्य सब बेले प्रेजेंट सिंपल रो ही व्यवहार होई थाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, tigers live in forests. Okay, we can't have a pet like tiger. Okay, tiger को आमे घरे पोसी परिबानी. एटा होची प्रकृतिर नियम कि टाइगर सब बेले जंगल रे रहे. So this is the law of nature. So tigers always live in forests. Okay, so this is in this case also present simple. So students, these are the rules in which case we can use present simple. Okay. So here are some assignments for you, and you should have to answer it. So the assignment is to supply the correct form of the given verb in the brackets. Okay. So you should have to put the correct form of the verb according to the situation and write the answer. Number 1. Good students always dash hard. Good students always dash hard. The verb in the bracket is work. Then you should have to choose the correct tense form of the verb and write down in the blanks. So option 1, work. Option 2, works. Option C, worked. Option D, working. So good students always dash hard. Write down your answer in the comment box and don't chat with each other. Yes, the right answer is work. Because good students always work hard. Why the answer is work? Because it is the habitual action of the good students to work hard. Clear? Then let's move on to the next question. A vegetarian is a person who never dash meat. The verb in the bracket is eat. And the options are eat, eats, eating, have eaten. So quickly write down the correct answer. Write down the correct verb form. Write down the correct form of the verb and fill in the blanks. And write down the answer in your comment box. A vegetarian is a person who never dash meat. Quickly answer, quickly answer. Yes, the answer is eats. Why eats? Because a vegetarian means it is a third person singular number and we have to use the present simple. So B5, main verb 5. Okay, does plus B1 as we have discussed before. So the right answer is eats. It is also a habitual action, means a vegetarian person never eats meat. Okay. So it is the repeated action or regular action we can say. Clear? Okay. Now the question number 3. The soul dash immortal. And the verb in the bracket is be. So write down the correct form of the verb be in the blanks. Option A, are. Option B, where. Option C, is. And option D, was. Yes, quickly write down the correct answer. So the verb be represents am, is, are in present tense. And it also represents was and were in past tense. So we have learnt the use of present simple. So if the soul is third person singular number, then what will be the answer? Yes, correct. is the right answer because it is the law of nature that soul is immortal. Okay. Then number 4. The chief minister dash tomorrow morning. The verb in the bracket is arrive. So choose the correct tense form of the verb and write down in your comment box. And the options are A. Arrive, B. Arrives, C. Arrived, D. Has arrived. And the right answer is yes, correct. Arrives. Option B, arrives, because it is the fixed plan or a fixed program. Then number 5. The earth dash round the sun. The earth dash round the sun. The verb in the bracket is move. So write down the correct tense form of the verb. Move, move, moved, moves, will move. And the right answer is yes, all of you have written the correct answer because it is a universal truth. So earth is the third person singular number. So B5 used as does plus move is equal to moves. So the right answer is moves as it is the universal truth. Then question number 6. The college dashed again on January 5th. The verb in the bracket is start. So what is the answer? What is the right answer? Write down in the box, in your chat box. Don't waste your time in chatting with each other. Number 1. A. Starts. B. Start. C. Starting. D. Started. Genuinely, it is also a fixed plan. It is also a fixed program. So, what is the simple present form of start for the word the college? Yes, and the right answer is starts. Okay, because it is a fixed plan. Then question number 7. I dash in Puri. The verb in the bracket is leave. I dash in Puri. Option A, leaving. B, leaves. C, will leave. D, leave. I is the first person singular number. So which verb is used? Write down. I dash in Puri. So it is the present fact. That means in present situation, I dash in Puri. It refers to the present fact. See, I am giving you the situation that what is the reason that you can find out and write down the correct answer. So the correct answer is leave. Option D, because it is the present fact. Means in present situation, I live in Puri. Then question number 8. That death dash to everyone sooner or later. And the verb in the bracket is come. मृत्यु डेरी रे हो किंबा शीघ्र हो केबे ना केबे समस्तଙ୍କ पाखकू आसी थाए. So what is the right answer? Option A come, B came, C comes, D is coming. Death dash to everyone sooner or later. Yes, all of you have given the right answer. I hope all of you have understood the rules and their use. So the right answer is option C comes, because it is the law of nature that death is the truth. Then let's move on to question number 9. Oil dash on water. The verb in the bracket is float. Oil dash on water. Option A float. Option B floats. Option C floated. Option D had floated. And it is also refers to the scientific truth. So oil, yes, the correct answer is floats. It is a scientific truth. Oil floats on water. Then question number 10. My father dash my problem. My father dash my problem. The verb in the bracket is understand. So what is the right answer? A understand, B understood, C understands, D has understood. It refers to the rule in which we can express our feelings, our emotions. So in this case also we can use present simple. So my father is third person singular number. So the right answer is option C. Understands. It refers to the emotions or the feelings of a father. Okay, so those who are okay, those who have given the right answer option C understands, so they are correct. Now question number 11. New Delhi dash the capital of India. The verb in the bracket is be. Option A is, option B was, option C are, option D were. So it refers to the which rule? Which rule? The rule of? Yes, very good. Someone is writing present fact. Presently, New Delhi dash the capital of India. Yes, the right answer is because it refers to the present fact. So in this situation, present simple is used. Then number 12. Archana dash married. Archana dash married. So the verb in the bracket is be. Option A am. Option B is. Option C was. Option D are. As we have discussed before, so this is the fact Which kind of fact? Present fact or permanent fact? If once you got married, can we change that situation? No. So that is, yes, very good, permanent fact. So, what is the right answer? Correct. Those who are writing is option B, that is correct answer. Because it refers to the permanent fact. Now let's move on to question number 13. Narendra Modi dash an Indian. And the verb in the bracket is B. So quickly write down the correct answer. A was, B are, C where, D is. Which is the right answer? Narendra Modi dash an Indian. So it is also a permanent fact. So what is the right answer? And the right answer is is. Now let's move on to question number 14. Rosie dash hungry. The verb in the bracket is feel. So choose the correct tense form of the verb and write down in the comment box. Rosie dash hungry. Option A feel. Option B feels. Option C felt. Option D feeling. So quickly write down the correct answer, and yes, all of you have given the right answer. The right answer is feels. So it refers to the rule of which express the feelings, the emotions, the thought. Okay, so the answer feels, option B feels is the correct answer. So students, so this is all about the use of present simple tense. Okay, I hope all you have got the idea and you all have known the perfect use of it, and you keep learning, and we will meet in the next class. Okay, so let me tell you again, how do you join in the live class? So just you have to subscribe our YouTube channel Awethi Learning and press the bell icon to get more updates. So we are providing free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Awethi Learning. So students, today this much. So we will meet in the next class with a new chapter, with a new concept. Till then, don't go anywhere without any reason. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Awethi Learning. Thank you.